Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 GMC 3500 Denali HD. This thing is absolutely awesome and by far my favorite Sierra I have driven. Onyx black on dark walnut and dark ash, Duramax 6.6 liter turbo diesel and an Allison 10-speed automatic. Look at this interior. It is absolutely beautiful. And there's a ton. I'll sit in it. There's a ton. Sitting behind myself, I mean, I do sit closer to the wheel, but look at this. Heated seats back here. And then you also have a little tool cubby. You can put a drill in there easily. Absolutely awesome. Perhaps the most well-known about GMC is our new 6-way power tailgate. Drop that down. Pop this up. Why aren't you gonna pop up? It's being temperamental on me. But you pop that part up, and then you have, there we go. Now you have a barrier, so if you have like planks or anything like that, it won't fall out. Then you can drop the bottom part down. You have your normal tailgate. Drop the top part. Now you have easy reach. Drop this down. You got a step. I will be honest, on the 3500, of course this motorcycle's racing, on the 3500, that step is a little bit bigger than on the 1500. Here's the roof of it because, well, I'm up in the top. Here is your virtual rear view mirror. So that's used, those two cameras are used because if you were to, well, have a person standing back here, you really can't see out the rear view mirror. You can also use it as a bench for eating in parking lots during quarantine. Then it all folds up, ideally with two hands, like that. Sticker on this one is a little, it's $78,000, but this one's pretty much fully loaded. Whew. Wireless charging, a gigantic center console, Denali embroidered up on the headrests, nice sun visors. Let's take this thing out for a drive and see what all the fuss is about. The amount of torque this thing has is incredible. I've never driven a diesel that just throws you back as hard as this one does. Oh man, this thing is beautiful. Visibility, a lot better than I was expecting given, well, the size of this vehicle. Really nice wood grain trim. As stated before, wireless charging. You can charge your phone right here. pretty cool. There we go. Now it's charging. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. The ride is extremely comfortable. It is 10 times better than I thought it would be. I mean, this is a truck. If you want the best pickup truck, the biggest, meanest, this is it. I mean, I can't imagine a faster stock pickup. Brake pedal is excellent, gives a lot of confidence, especially given the fact that when you're towing you want something that you know you're going to stop, and this gives that impression. You also have your trailer brake that you can set up, so if your trailer, a lot of heavier trailers have their own separate brakes. I know one of my father's trailers does, so you can set that up, and then you can set up braking to the trailer, so you don't load up the brakes on the truck itself. I'm gonna put it into 4 high for the acceleration coming up, just because from a dig, traction is limited just because you're pushing so much torque to the rear tires where there's not much weight unloaded. So I'm gonna put it into 4-wheel drive to make sure that we get grip and I'm not burning up tires, because I don't want to do that. It's fun in my own car, but not in the dealerships. And for handling, hey, that's not bad. All right, shifting into 4 high. 4 low is dedicated for off-road. You can actually damage stuff if you use it on the road, so we're not doing that. All right. suspension. Pointer straight. Wow. That is awesome. Onto the suspension test. Even with the stiff, heavy-duty suspension, it soaks them up. It doesn't throw you around too much whatsoever. If this was your daily driver, it's definitely comfortable, definitely usable. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.